Good morning and welcome to another episode of Rush Outside Wales. This time it's day one of a 3-day adventure down mid Wales, currently in Radnor forest. Big walk today planned, taking in Base Hill, Great Rhos and Black Mixen. So I'm going to get going in a moment. Plan is to stay in Ryder town tonight and then do Dragan Fawr and Gorllwyn, I think that's how it's pronounced, tomorrow, and then stay at Scythian Bothy tomorrow night and do Pennegarn Saturday morning to complete all the mid Wales mountains that I've got left to do. Clouds a bit low at the moment, but it has forecast to lift a little bit later. So we'll see how it goes. But here we go, another adventure. Bring it on. So I'm not actually that far off first summit of Back Hill. I think I pronounced it Bates earlier. Or Chester, like Leitch. That's a rough place as well. Not saying that this is rough, by the way. This steady forestry tracks from where I've parked so far. You can hear that wind overhead. Reminds me a lot of the walk on Robel Fawr when I done that. Couldn't see bugger all till I come down. Let's hope it lifts before I get back off the last one, a Great Rhos. Right, bring you back at the top. And here's the first one of the day, Back Hill, 610 metres. Yep, that's not the camera lens, that's literally the mist. But I bagged myself another mountain. One down, 3 to go for today. Have a guess which numbnuts has forgot his bloody gaiters and just heather bashed it through there. So all the bottoms are a little damp now. Anywho's, Black Mixen next, that way. So, I'm not far off Black Mixen, to be honest. Go through that gate, follow the track up. So I've come from along the ridge line or the fence line of the forest. Can't see bugger all. Anywho's, see you in a bit. So I'm currently here, just below Black Mixen. I'm going to go round contours, Great Rhos, and I'm going to come back round and find a way up the forest, back to the starting point. Bring it on! So here I am, top of Black Mixen now, 650 metres. Looks like the setting for a Star Wars movie around here. Expecting to see some Imperial troopers in there. Anyway, here we are. Black Mixen, 650 metres, and another one in the bag. Woo-hoo. About 2 kilometres maybe from the top of Great Rhos. So the cloud hasn't lifted, it's just foggy. A little bit of a wind, not much. Not enough to make me want to layer up anymore and wear gloves. But yeah, once I got up, it's fairly relatively easy. Certainly to navigate. It's not very strenuous at all, so advise anybody to do this. Just try and pick a clearer day because you'll end up with a better view than what I've got. Right, I'll bring you at the back at the top of Great Rhos. And here we are, last one of the day. Great Rhos, 660 metres. Woo! Get in. Oh, path's a bit boggy leading up to it, but like I said, the weather's not too bad. Been in a hell of a lot worse. This. Whoa! Nearly went. 660 metres. Woo! Yippee! Still can't see bugger all. Not far from here. I'm still hugging the fence line of the danger area. Seems a bit airy this side, apart from the running water in the distance and the wind every now and then. Deadly silent. Although I just heard a couple of funny noises further back. It sounded like a wild bird. Who knows? Anyway, back to the car I go. Bit of a groovy little rock formation on the side of the hill. It's quite nifty, that. Wouldn't be a bad place for a bivvy. Or to pitch a tent, to be honest. Yeah, I reckon you could get away with that here. Geodesic tent. Keep getting back to the car. This could be the scene for a bit of a medieval movie, this area. Something to do with maybe Welsh history and the battles here, maybe. They could film something here. I don't know, I'm just surmising now. Anyway, still a bit spooky. And this could be the setting for a Bond film. See how low the cloud cover is. Oh, 500 metres maybe. Shame really. Little bits of views over to that way. Not much. My car is back over that side. So I've got to find a way down here, up and over without getting shot, because the red flags are up. I'll find it, I hope. We'll see. If you don't hear from me, I've been shot. I think this has to be the quietest walk I've ever been on. I've not seen a single person for the entirety of the walk. My only worry, well not worry, Ball Lake is at the minute, dropping down a bit too far. My car's up and over that bloody hill there, but because of the red flags everywhere, I do not want to go getting shot. Still got 2 walks to do over the next 2 days, so hey ho, I'll find a way back up and over without going all the way down to the village, hopefully anyway. Poop. So the public footpath comes right through the cemetery and back onto the lane now, that takes me all the way up back to my car. Yeah, that's right, all the way up back to my car. It's a lovely looking old fashioned church. Right, bring it back to the car possibly. Now that is a welcome sight. Fuck yes. Hello baby. So here's the room. Very quaint and cosy. Lighting's a bit funny in here, but see if that makes, ah, there you go, that makes it a little bit better. Shower, gonna have one in a minute, I'm stinking. Literally in a bag. Where's your peas? Fuck me.